Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be looking at 1 point perspective. In a previous video, we did a 1 point perspective drawing to explain the principles, and the video was the most watched video on the channel. So perhaps you could visit the channel to see the introduction to the topic. What we're gonna do today, we're actually gonna draw a cylinder in 1 point perspective. All right. So if you visited the video, you would see that the first thing that you're gonna draw is a front elevation. All right. So because we're drawing a cylinder, our front elevation would be a circle. All right. Now you could have looked at it the other way, but in today's video, I'm looking on it whereby the circle would be the true face. All right. All right. There we have our circle. Right. All right. Now we're gonna draw the plan for it. Okay. I'll put it right there. All right. We're gonna draw the plan. All right. So here we have our front elevation and plan for the cylinder that we're gonna draw in 1 point perspective. Did you visit the video to see the principles that we're gonna be applying to this cylinder? Yeah, well, maybe at the end of the video you could look at the video. Okay. All right. So can you recall what's the next step that we're gonna do now? So this line here we have a picture plane, right? And here we have this line is a construction line. Can you guess what that line was drawn for? The reason why I drew this line is to get our station point. Okay. So that would be our station point. All right. Now the next thing we're gonna draw is the horizon. Okay. Everybody is with me? Gonna draw the horizon. I'm gonna put it I'm gonna put it right here. No. Um, I'm gonna put it a little bit below. All right, so I'm gonna put it right here. All right, this is our horizon, okay? All right, so I've labeled the horizontal um level, the horizon, right? The horizon line. Right. The next thing we're gonna do now, we're gonna select where along this construction line is our station point, okay? So I'm gonna select it right here, okay? So my station point will be right there, okay? So right here would be my station point. All right, can you guess after I've set out the station point, the horizontal line, I selected this point and then I extended the line down to intersect the horizontal line. Can you guess what that point would represent? I'm going to pause the video and then you come back. I'm going to give you 2 seconds to answer. All right, so this point right here is called a vanishing point, okay? So what we're going to do now, we're going to draw lines from the front elevation here. Yeah, so this point going to the vanishing point. I'm going to draw it back to the base down there. Hmm. All right, we're going to draw a line from the vanishing point coming down to here. Enter. Good. Right? That is the point that we need. All right? All right. So if you recall from the last video, can you tell me what would be the next step now? I'm also going to draw the center line, all right? From the center to there. Can you guess where I draw in the center? All right. Now, the next step was to, I'm going to we're going to draw a line from here, going up, there, enter. All right? Okay, look now. We're going to draw a line from this point to the station point. Enter. Right? Now, where this line intersect the picture plane line, you're going to drop a perpendicular, okay? Going down. So, where this line intersect, you're going to drop a perpendicular coming down to intersect this line, this center line coming down, okay? All right, so we're going to drop a perpendicular from this point coming down. Enter. All right, we're going to draw a square around the circle, okay? So we go line there, line there, 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 and there, okay? All right? What's happening here? So we go line from here, coming down there, enter. All right. Now, to get this square up there, this is what we would do. We would join a line from here to the station point, right? And then what you would do, where that line intersect the station point, so you would need to carry lines from here too, from this corner to that vanishing point, from this corner to that vanishing point. All right? So, and we could do the same thing from the other end too, so let's do that. There to there. All right, watch now. Where this line intersects here, we're going to carry on a vertical line from there, right? So we're going to go there, there. Which line do we need now? Or the outer one. So this line coming down to the outer one. Enter. That's all right. We're gonna join a line from here. Join it to the station point. Where that line intersect the station point, we're gonna drop a perpendicular. Okay. So that gonna enter line. I'm gonna drop a perpendicular. So dropping a perpendicular. Enter. Now we need a line from here too, okay? So we're gonna go line from there, going up here. All right, so watch now. This line, you see this line? That line going across here would be this baseline here for this construction screw. So watch now. This point to that point That would be the square, yes? All right, so here is our construction. Here we have the circle there. Right, what we're gonna do now is make it be visible. All right, so we're gonna draw us. So we go center, start, start. Good. What? Look now. So what we're gonna do now? All right. So here is our cylinder drawn in 1 point perspective. All right. So that brings us to the end of today's video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. In the next video, we'll be also be drawing another object in 1 point perspective, and perhaps you would need to visit the first video that we made on 1 point perspective, and then look at the next video that we're going to make shortly. All right. Thanks for watching. Take care until we meet again. Bye.